Got this nifty little passport from AMC, and it's the 48 4,000 footers. We're doing Mount Tecumseh. It comes in at 4,003 feet, where it's really not 4,000 feet, and it's controversial, but we're going up it anyway. Here we go. We're on our way. So I didn't bring my shoes with me. The trail's pretty well packed. Let's see. So I don't think I'm going to need them. So I'll have to find another place to try them. But I'm still going up the mountain. Yeah, it's pretty awesome, man. There you go. That's the trail behind me. You can see. Very pretty. Very, very nice in the light. Let's see. Ready? You can hear the ski resort making noise. I don't know what they're doing. So. These are slopes, I guess. I don't know, I've never been skiing. Yeah, typical New England fashion, we gotta go down to go up. Wow, look at this view. Yeah, let's go. No way. It's gracious. So many pulleys. Keep the cables tight. I got views behind me coming up on low trees, which is one of the things I like about being 4,000 feet. It's how tiny the trees get. And it's been a while since I've hiked like this. It's like walking up sand in the snow with the micro spikes on. So we got some cardio to do to get back into shape. But it's freaking beautiful, man. Here. So I'm going up. It gets pretty steep. I think I only got like a half mile left or so. So that's not too bad. Mount Tecumseh summit, 3/10 of a mile that way. Woohoo. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it. Summit sign. Some people go this way, some people go that way. I'm gonna go out and around. Might as well go up. off. And it was a bit of a struggle to get here, but I got here. And yeah, dude, seriously, really, this is what we do it for. It's see stuff most people don't see. Dude, it's awesome. Yes, man. Right on. It's only a couple miles for me, but I mean, look at this. So it's like 20 degrees up here, so I'm not gonna hang out too long, but 20's not really bad for me, but I'm sweaty. I can't stop looking at it though. I've been up here for like 20 minutes and I haven't stopped looking at it. Seriously, watch the clouds roll in. Looks a bit ominous over there. All right, let's see. Walk over here. So, Mount Tecumseh ski trail, ski area parking. It's where we parked, so that's where we're going. There's not much further to Triple E Road, which is the road that comes into the ski area parking. Sosman Trail is the trail we came up. And I'm thinking we'll go down the Tecumseh Trail, not the Tecumseh, yeah, Mount Tecumseh Trail. Who knows? I'm actually glad I came up the other way, because it's very loose and slippery and kind of a bit fun to go down. I was hoping I won't go down wrong. Back where the trail splits. It's the Sosman Trail there. And the Mount Tecumseh Trail. Sosman's a lot better packed, so going up without snowshoes was fine. Coming down this one, you're gonna want snowshoes. I should have brought my snowshoes. I would have been able to play with them at least. So I run into like 30 people coming down. Well, I've run into 30 people on my way down. Everybody's out and about and it's awesome. It's a great trail and winter's not stopping anybody. So yeah, get outside and hike. I guess it's sinking in. Nice little hobbit hole on a mountain to live on. A little close to the trail though. Well, they had forecast said it was going to be rainy, possibly snowy today while I was up on the mountain, and I think I got down before that happened. It's a little dark in the direction of the summit, so it might still happen. But I was prepared. I had my jacket and all that nifty stuff. I can tell you it has been a wonderful walkout, and I don't know that I've ever met as many happy hikers as I have winter hikers. They're like, everybody's going up smiling and having a good time. It's refreshing. And this is probably the longest stretch that I've had since without running into somebody or a group of somebody's. So yeah, I'm almost out though. I think I can hear what sounds to be, I can see the road. Yeah, so I'm almost out. And yeah, it was an awesome hike. A little bit of a drive, but an awesome hike. There's so many people. I didn't record a lot coming out because there were so many people on the trail. There were literally dozens upon dozens, groups of 5 or 10. So I didn't record a lot coming out of the trail because of that. I gotta text everybody and tell them I'm safe and on my way home. So All right. Thanks for watching. And if you like this video, like, subscribe, and go on, get outside. Bye.